Several major cryptocurrencies experienced significant gains on Monday, as investors eagerly await a potential approval from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, for spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, later this week. There's widespread anticipation that the SEC will provide a favorable determination for ARK Invest's 21 shares Bitcoin ETF application before Wednesday. The price of Bitcoin surged by 6.7% by the end of the regular trading day, briefly surpassing the $47,000 milestone for the first time since April 2022. Ethereum also saw an increase of more than 6%, while Marathon Digital, a crypto mining firm closely tied to the price of Bitcoin, rose as much as 10.5% in the morning before settling to close up 7.7%. Crypto investors have circled January 10, 2024, on their calendars. Over the past year, the price of Bitcoin alone has nearly tripled. However, its recent rally gained momentum back in October 2023, after the SEC chose not to appeal a federal court's August reversal of an order that had prevented crypto asset manager Grayscale Investments from converting its popular Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into an ETF. When the D.C. Circuit of Appeals formalized Grayscale's court win the following week, the responsibility shifted back to the SEC to move forward with its approval processes for several other pending spot ETF applications from providers such as BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Invest. Fast forward to today's rally, and as noted back in October, the first of those deadlines happens to be this Wednesday, January 10th. This is the specific date by which the SEC must approve or deny ARK Invest's open application for its 21 shares Bitcoin ETF. This is a significant development for the crypto market, because ETFs would provide a more accessible medium for investors to invest in cryptocurrency assets, compared to setting up a separate crypto account or wallet with a crypto-specific broker. ETF shares can also be bought and sold throughout the trading day through virtually any broker, similar to publicly traded stocks. While many don't anticipate ARK Invest's 21 shares to be the sole spot Bitcoin ETF receiving approval this week, there's a consensus that the SEC will likely approve multiple applications in tandem with the ARK Invest 21 shares deadline. Industry watchers have supported this scenario, noting that several hopeful ETF providers simultaneously filed amended registration statements with the SEC over the past few months. In fact, last week, crypto news site Cointelegraph reported that ARK 21 shares, VanEck Bitcoin Trust, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and Fidelity's Spot Bitcoin ETF each filed new 8A forms with the SEC to register their shares as securities listed on multiple exchanges, indicating they're in the late stages of approval. However, investors should not dismiss the risk, however unlikely at this stage, that the SEC might deny multiple spot Bitcoin ETF applications this week. The SEC rejected ARK's proposal almost exactly 1 year ago, citing a lack of measures to prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts. If the regulatory body offers any similar unexpected opposition this time, it would likely result in assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Marathon Digital experiencing a sharp pullback as crypto investors take their recent profits off the table.